Hello, this is Moms, Kids Plus Puppets, and we're with Daniel today. He is 9 years old. We have his brother and sister here with him, and they're watching him along with the puppets, and his grandmother Linda is also with them, very proud of him today as he's going to decorate, you can start, his gingerbread man. I'm Marlene, and we are Moms, Kids Plus Puppets. The fun thing about the gingerbread man, he's our gingerbread cookie man, and we will eat our cookies when we're done. So we're having fun creating. So what are you working on right now, Daniel?
Right now I'm working on the face and like the eyes.
Okay, good job. Let's see what you come up with. Daniel again is 9. Now he's still working on the face.
Is it gonna come out, Daniel? Did I make the whole
It's
thing?
coming out, but
Slow, huh?
We're using plastic bags, and sometimes the chocolate and the icing comes out very quickly, and sometimes it comes out a little slower. So, but it's nice and clean, so we have a good time. I think you need put some muscle in it, huh?
yeah.
Oh, there you go. You got it down now.
See what they say about practice. They say practice makes permanent. So sometimes we have to do a lot of practicing.
So if you want any little doodahs on his face, you need to you need to put them on now so that they harden in there, okay?
The icing is like glue. So it's, ooh, he's gonna have green eyes. Matches your shirt. Very nice.
Oh, that's cute. A little orange nose.
Now I'm going to work on the shoes.
He's gonna work on the shoes now. So tell us about the icing, Linda. What's in the icing as he's working on the shoes?
Well, icing is just powdered sugar and butter and milk and a little bit of vanilla or whatever flavor you want, but this is just vanilla.
So that makes a great glue for putting on your decoration. Looks like we're going to have some designer shoes here. Feet are fun. Feet are important. That's what helps us move along.
Deacon's icing tube works better. Do you want to just switch out? It's maybe got a bigger hole. Try that one. Here we go.
Thank you. See, when something doesn't work as well as we want it, what we do is we recalibrate.
Yep.
So that's what we did. Daniel is recalibrating to make it work. So Rory's watching on. I'm sure he would love to eat a gingerbread cookie if he could.
In one bite.
In one bite too, yeah. And we have 2 other puppets. What are the names of the other 2 puppets that are watching?
Oh, that's Jasmine and Lily.
Jasmine and Lily. And you know what's interesting about Lily? Help me move the camera just a little bit so you can see Lily. Lily is a very special puppet because she is really a sock puppet. So what you can do with all kinds of fun things is make...
Yeah, Deacon's is way better.
Which is way better?
What?
What's better? Way better?
The frosting.
Keep going.
He's frosting. Yes. Good job, kiddo. It flows better. I think that I needed to make a bigger hole on yours.
So there's a trick you just learned, that we need to make a little bit bigger hole if you're having a little bit of trouble getting your icing or your chocolate coming out.
Now I'm going to make the vest.
Now, Daniel's making the vest. It's fun to see young artists at work. Oh, he's gonna get a red hot heart, I think. But Daniel did good. He even got the heart on the left side where a heart belongs. Now some chips for some chocolate chips on the vest.
Yeah.
Of course, the more chocolate chips that he puts on, the tastier it'll be.
Now I'm gonna do the gloves.
He's gonna make gloves for his gingerbread. Little gloves. I'm looking forward to seeing this when you're finished. Color in the gloves. I think we have some anxious people that want to eat some gingerbread cookies, so
Yeah, we're eating some icing in between.
is that what Deacon's doing over there?
He has been sneaking some icing,
Ah.
but that's okay. Not necessarily sneaking it.
Because you saw it.
Yeah.
I saw it out of the corner of my eye. Well, we're getting close now. Getting close. Yeah, I'll tell you, Big Zeus the dog, as soon as he knew we were making the gingerbread cookies, boy, he was in here. It's interesting about the dogs because they love looking at the puppets. So we're almost got her done. Just finishing up the glove now, huh?
Yep, now I'm done.
Are you done? Can you show us so we can see it?
Oh, he's cute.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, you
Thank
did a really
you.
good job.
Thank you, Daniel. This is Mom's Kids Plus Puppets. Thank you for watching.